In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a real estate website in GoDaddy Website Builder. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for your profile area. This is usually where you can access your account settings, products, and website tools. Click on your profile, and from there, choose My Products. This section shows the services and tools connected to your account, and it's where you can begin setting up your website. Next, find the option that says Set up a free website and click on it. This will launch GoDaddy Website Builder and guide you into the setup process. If you're creating a site for a real estate business, this is a quick and beginner-friendly way to get started without needing any coding or design experience. Once the builder opens, you'll be asked to select a type of website or business category. Here, choose Online Store and click on it to continue. Even if your main goal is to showcase real estate listings or services, this option can give you useful layout features and business tools that work well for a property website. After that, you'll see a field where you can enter your business type or niche. Type in real estate, then click Continue. This helps GoDaddy generate a website structure, design style, and suggested sections that are more relevant to the real estate industry. It can save time and make the setup feel much more tailored right from the beginning. The next step is to enter your business name. Type in the name you want to use for your real estate website. Make sure it matches your branding and is easy for visitors to recognize. Your business name will often appear in important places on the site, such as the header or home page, so it's worth entering it carefully. From there, simply follow the prompts on your screen and customize your website. GoDaddy will walk you through the remaining setup, and this is where you can start making the site your own. You can adjust the design, update text, choose images, and shape the overall look to fit your real estate brand. Take your time during this part, so your website feels professional, clear, and welcoming to potential clients. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly build a real estate website in GoDaddy Website Builder and create a strong online presence for your business.